All right, I got the FORGOLF rangefinder, and I'm going to take this to the range like I do with all the rangefinders I review, and we're going to test it out on some known yardages that I know are correct. Before I do that, I just want to show you what you get with this, and this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own on this. And so it comes nicely packaged in a box. This case, you get the instructions, obviously. You have a nice little lens cleaning kit. You get a lanyard if you want to hook this thing onto something, and you get a little wrist strap here that can be run through here if you wanted to. There's a little hole in there. You can run this through if you decide to use that. First, let me show you the case real quick. Nice looking red and gray zippered case on here. Has a little strap on here. I've seen these straps where they fold around and lock over, but it looks like this one you can just hang this on something if you wanted to. Hang it off a club, whatever. And it also has a belt loop on the back, so that's kind of neat. Nice feeling durable case. Let's go to the rangefinder itself. It is made out of hard plastic with feel like kind of a rubbery material where the black is on here. First off, the coolest thing about this so far, and I've done a lot of these, is that this thing takes AAA batteries. That to me is great because I can buy a 4-pack of AAA batteries in the plastic, throw them in my my golf bag where I keep my wallet and everything, and not have to worry about having batteries if it runs out on me on the course. Some of these come with lithium batteries and CR2 or 32s, things you wouldn't normally have laying around the house. The rangefinder itself, it looks to me that it's possible that it could fit inside of the large cup on a golf cart at my course. I don't know, we'll have to find out. It has a focus feature on here, so you can focus it when you're looking through, which is cool. There's a mode button on the top and a power button, and it times out after about 8 seconds. So when you're done using it, you just let go of the power button, it'll time out and shut itself off. So with the mode button, you press it once and it goes into scan mode. So if you wanted to, you just press it and hold it down in scan mode, and you can shoot everything around the green. So you want to see how far a landing area is, a bunker. And it also has mode 2, which is a flag lock mode. You just get it over, you point it at the flag or whatever target you're trying to hit, press it once, it locks in and it vibrates to let you know that it locked in, and you can read your yardage. So when you are in flag lock mode, you press the slope button, turns blue to let you know that it's working, but you can also see it on the screen. And when you're using the slope feature, it shows you the true yardage on top, and there's a little slope icon on the bottom that gives you the slope rating so that you can get the true yardage of the shot. So pretty cool. This rangefinder features a distance of 5 yards to 1,000 yards. It weighs about the same as any other one I've used. It's not super light, it's not super heavy. Feels good in my hand. I like the grip feature because, obviously makes it easier to use it with one hand. Already got the FORGOLF rangefinder. I'm actually at my own range. I know where my yardages are. I'm with the guy that actually shot the yardages in the first place. So I'm looking at these 100, 150, and the 200 down there. I'm going to use the scan mode first, and then I'll do the flag lock mode. Simple, press the mode button, changes it from scan mode to flag lock. We got the power button, and we have slope right here. Okay. Press the button, you get the slope back there. Let me try the 100 yard on the scan first thing. Shooting over to the 100 yard marker, I got 101. Other 100 yard, I got 101. All right, 150, I got 149. Show that 150 out there. 151, and the other 150, I have 154. Then again, these distances are going like this, so let me try the 200 here. 200, I got 199. Let me put it into flag lock mode, and I'll hit the 100 pole. Yep, same distance, same yardages, same exact thing. Pretty accurate. Off by a yard or so depending on what finder you're using, but yeah, it works pretty good.